So we're rolling. You want to tell us what you're going to do before you do it?
No, I'll do it first and then I'll tell you. Woo! Did you see that?
Yep.
So what I did is I've been building up hydrogen gas. I have aluminum as a catalyst. These are just tabs, aluminum tabs from Coke cans that I found on the trail today. Just walking here, I reached down and picked these up, and I have put them in a solution of, so there's the tabs. I just drop them in a cup. I take a little bit of sodium hydroxide crystals, which is just Drano. I pour them on top, and then I take a little bit of water and pour it in, and that forms an alkali solution, basically called Drano, and then it begins an exothermic reaction where bubbles start to form as the aluminum catalyzes the water and produces hydrogen gas. And those bubbles that you see there are hydrogen. And if you can see, hydrogen is a gas that is extremely flammable. Remember the Hindenburg. And it's better than natural gas. It has no carbon. And people have talked a lot about the hydrogen economy and how we can use hydrogen in our automobiles and airplanes, how we can use it in fuel cells to produce electricity and heat. And it is producing heat right now, and it is bubbling. And all I'm doing now is storing the hydrogen by putting a lid on it. Now that could be a balloon, and eventually you could compress it and put it in cylinders, which is what they do. And as it builds up the hydrogen, then I have a flammable gas, and it has a reaction, explodes. But the ultimate idea would be to have containers that you put the aluminum cans in as people bring them off the trails from each of the lodges, and then put them in and put a little bit of sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide, which is made from wood ash, so you could get it from the ashes of your fires, and then use that to produce hydrogen that goes, as it's produced into a fuel cell, it generates electricity and heat as it's being produced. And this would be the best way to recycle your aluminum. Get heat and electricity from it via hydrogen fuel cell. Thanks.